and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, you must have noticed that my last 65 plus videos, those weren't very good videos and was old content. The thing is that these videos, my friends, were posted from my other channels. I'm desperate to work hard on this YouTube channel of mine, so I deleted those videos from my other channels and uploaded it to my main channel, my friends. So we will be doing regular content now. So guys, today's topic is how to check whether your Medium stories are curated or not. So on medium.com, my friends, there is a new update and you cannot check whether your Medium stories are curated or not. This is a massive problem for a lot of people. Some people made some tutorials about it to check inspect section and stuff like that, but I have a better and easier method, to be honest with you. What you need to do is install this Chrome extension, my friends. I have tested it myself. It's called Medium Distribution Info. It's available for Chrome browser. So once you install this Chrome extension, my friends, Medium Distribution Info, what happens is that this is my stats page now. You can see my last 30 days stats page, and on this stats page, my friends, I'm really sorry for the coughing, my friends. If I see, there will be a section over here soon, my friends. Yes, distributed, my friends. This distributed, there is a section called distributed. So you see, this is one of my latest articles. Don't rely on plagiarism detection tools, says Sam Altman, OpenAI CEO. And as you can see, somehow, good news for me, it has been curated in artificial intelligence topic, artificial intelligence topic, by Medium. So this is a massive news for me and for you as well, my friends, so that you can know which stories are curated or not. And those of you who don't understand what curation is, I'll tell you the power of curation. This is one of the other stories that are curated, and I'm going to show you the power of curation. Look at this, my friends. 12.5 thousand views, 2.9 thousand reads, and this has been curated in artificial intelligence. So if I look at the details, my friends, the power of curation, this article, this Medium story has already made $92.58, and this is curated in artificial intelligence topic. So my friends, take full advantage of this Medium extension. If you look at it, my friends, you look at this Medium extension, here is a check mark. So if I click it, it will show me on this page the top 5 recent stories that have been curated. I can download them in CSV. I can check my earnings as well, but they'll ask you to install a separate extension. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification for future updates. Thanks for watching.